Sun on my face, salt in the air, grease on my fingers, zero cares. Plastic tray, perfect bite. You came gliding out of the light. Seagull stole my chips. Didn't even ask. Hey, look me in the eye, then you dive, then you dash. Seagull stole my chips. You don't even tip. Feathers in the wind as you munch on my chips. My chips. Circle twice, acting all harmless, playing nice. Then that scream right in my ear, tiny dinosaur made of cheer. Seagull stole my chips. Didn't even ask. Look me in the eye, then you dive, then you dash. Seagull stole my chips. You don't even tip. Feathers in the wind as you munch on my chips. My chips. I wave my napkin, you just laugh. Drop one crumb, you want the whole stack. And I know you'll come back every summer, same attack. Oh no! Seagull stole my chips. Didn't even ask. Look me in the eye, then you dive, then you dash. Seagull stole my chips. Guess we're kinda linked. Every bite I plan, you already picked. You picked. Seagull stole my chips. Seagull stole my chips. I thought I was cool at the shoreline. Brand new trunks, cheap gold chain, orange floaties on my pale arms. Talking big, acting unafraid. You laughed and ran for the water. I dove in, tried to play brave. Then I heard that tiny hissing, like a tire giving out on the freeway. You popped my floaties. Now I'm going under. Salt in my eyes, heart full of thunder. You said relax, you're gonna be fine, but I'm swallowing waves, losing my mind. You popped my floaties. Guess I might drown for you this time. Kids skim by on their boogie boards. I'm flailing in the foam. Lifeguard sipping from his big cup, scrolling his phone on the throne. You splash close, say just breathe, babe. I'm gasping, legs made of stone. If love's supposed to feel like this, why's it drag me straight down below? You pop my floaties. Now I'm going under. Salt in my eyes, heart full of thunder. You said relax, you're gonna be fine, but I'm swallowing waves, losing my mind. You pop my floaties. Guess I might drown for you this time. Maybe this is how it starts. Half drowned, half in your arms. Oh, oh, if I make it back to shore, promise I'll be yours, be yours. You pop my floaties.